Did you know that finding software that helps property management companies optimize their working practices for a more efficient, streamlined, day-to-day operation is a game changer for landlords and property managers? In this video, I'll be comparing DoorLoop and Info-Tracker so you can have a better understanding of what suits your business. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. Info-Tracker. Info-Tracker is a cloud-based software for landlords and property managers with rental portfolios. The system designed by Net Integrity offers an all-in-one management tool tailored for the real estate industry, utilizing automated technology and modern real-time tracking tools for operational and financial performance. Info-Tracker features. Here are some of the most important features offered through Info-Tracker. Automated electronic banking, integrated real-time portals, effective communication to all levels and customers, flexible reporting for every customer's unique needs, security and control permissions, and routine and preventative maintenance modules. Info-Tracker reviews. Here's what some users say about Info-Tracker. Roxanne says, "The simplicity of Info-Tracker helps to run our business as smoothly and efficiently as possible. They work closely with us to make sure we have the right tools to run our business." Info-Tracker pricing. Unfortunately, the pricing is not available on their website, but based on Capterra, the pricing is starting at $289. The pricing is calculated based on unit size, portfolio configuration, and module selection. Everyone is asked to contact Net Integrity directly for more details. Now that we have discussed Info-Tracker, let's look into DoorLoop to see which option is best suited for your business. DoorLoop features. Advanced accounting tools. This feature helps property management companies handle payments in and expenses out, as well as allowing them to export financial reports in a range of formats, managing their taxes, and keeping track of cash flow. DoorLoop's accounting system also integrates with QuickBooks. Tenant management and screening. Landlords can easily manage communications with tenants, move-in, move-out schedules, and other processes through DoorLoop. They can also set requirements for tenant screening to help ensure the types of renters they want are able to apply for their properties. It allows property managers to run background checks, credit checks, and eviction history searches, as well as request relevant financial documents and provide questions for prospective tenants to answer. Property listings and marketing. It is easy to advertise your rental properties with DoorLoop, helping you find promising leads through a syndicated listing system that partners with popular marketplaces such as Zillow. With the network connected with DoorLoop, your properties gain maximum exposure. Mobile features. Manage your communications and rental portfolio when and where it suits you using the mobile app. It lets you stay connected with tenants on the go, collaborate easily with team members and vendors, and contact DoorLoop's support team using various customer service channels. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop offers affordable packages starting at just $49 for up to 20 properties. There's also a free demo available. Click the link right here to schedule a free demo. DoorLoop reviews. DoorLoop has many happy customers across lots of review sites. Here are some of the things that DoorLoop users are saying. Ellie says, "The customer service has been stellar since signing up. The training and onboarding process went much smoother than expected, and the team has always been there to help with any questions we have." And we have a lot. And Josh says, "I am on the road a lot, so being able to manage my properties, tenants, leases, and units remotely is exactly what I needed, especially since our offices are now remote. Everyone is able to view anything needed without having a VPN into our remote servers that used to crash on a monthly basis. It also saved us a considerable amount of money on server maintenance alone. Moving to the cloud was the best decision we've made for our business." Which option should you choose? If you want to elevate your workflow to be more efficient and something affordable, DoorLoop is the option to choose. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched the whole video, you may just get a special discount. Schedule a demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go or click the link above. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.